everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friend Victor Hernandez Chavez, production manager of marketing services at the USPS, and this piece was for a first day of issue ceremony for the Sharks Forever stamp. It's an invitation, and this was designed by their in-house group, 475 at USPS, and I think you're gonna love this. It's very simple, and yet it's great use of special effects, great use of dimension. This is an asymmetrical accordion with a swinger fold die cut on it. And what I love is it's the Sharks Forever stamp. So they've got this underwater glossy effect going on. And this piece opens like this. So it opens to reveal the information here. But then it also is just so sculptural in how it sits there. I would totally put this on my desk. And what this is printed for color. This is line marked, by the way, in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. And so this is printed for color with a high gloss UV coating and a spot sandpaper UV on the sharks. So you get this really nice contrast of the sharks to the water, and it just feels glossy and wet. It feels like an underwater scene. So these are printed on a 100-pound gloss cover. These are die score fold. These went in an outer envelope and of course sent through the mail. But I love, and they also did the back, which I think is very cool. So they did the sharks on both sides, and just a wonderful, simple underwater effect. I like asymmetry as well. So I just think it's surprising in so many ways, and the simplicity is great. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Asymmetrical accordion with swinger fold invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.